Welcome to our Kubert AI Agent demonstration video. In this video, we'll explore how to use natural language prompts to query your Kubernetes cluster through the AI agent, transforming them into kubectl commands. Let's start with some basic use cases. Using the AI agent, you can easily query information about your cluster without needing to memorize complex kubectl commands. Suppose you want to see all the pods in the kubert-assistant namespace. Simply type in your natural language prompt. Type a prompt into the input box. Show me all pods in the kubert-assistant namespace. The AI agent translates your prompt into the equivalent kubectl command and executes it for you, displaying the results immediately. Type another prompt. What's the status of my cluster nodes? This command gives you a quick overview of the health and status of your nodes. Now, let's explore some advanced queries to showcase the full potential of the AI agent. Type a prompt. Fetch the logs for the ingress-engine-x-controller pod running in the ingress-engine-x namespace. This command retrieves the logs, helping you diagnose and resolve issues efficiently. Scaling your applications is just as straightforward. By specifying the deployment name and desired replica count, type a prompt. Scale the command runner deployment in the kubert-assistant namespace to 2 replicas. The AI agent ensures your application is scaled according to your needs. Let's verify the scaling. Type prompt. Show me the command runner deployment status in the kubert-assistant namespace. We can see in the response that there are now 2 replicas. With the Kubert AI agent, querying your Kubernetes cluster is more intuitive than ever. From basic queries to advanced operations, leverage the power of AI to enhance your productivity and streamline your workflows. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit our GitHub repository and explore the future of Kubernetes management with Kubert AI Assistant Lite.